Davion Wheeler.
We've got other
Mr. Wheeler, you're charged with possession of marijuana.
Reports on time.
It's elevated to a class. It's
Basically just
elevated to a Class A
pattern of
misdemeanor
conduct
because
from this officer.
it's in a drug-free zone.
I
You're
want
facing up
his
to a year in
personnel
jail
file to
and or
see
a
if there's
$4,000
other
fine. We're
issues
going to
that
do
he's
probable
had that
cause.
may
You have the
not
right to
have
remain
risen
silent.
to the
Anything you
level
say
of a
can or will be used
suspension.
against you.
We did on
You have the
this
right to have an
matter
attorney
is a
present during
public
questions
comment,
and
and it had
interviews
to
in
do
the
with
state of Texas.
HPD,
Do not
but
afford a
in
lawyer.
this case, it is
Lawyer will be
the
appointed to
Harris
represent
County
you.
Sheriff's Office that doesn't seem
Do
to
you
want to
reek of
cooperate,
weed
and they
right now?
just seem to be
You
flat ignoring
you
all
reek
the
so bad.
requests
I think
where
I'm going to get high
HPD
just
was
from
trying to make an
you standing in
excuse
front
the
of me.
last video. In this case, it's the defense that's pretty aggravated about it. The judge is trying to find a way to navigate through it with the
Yes, Your
authority
Honor,
that
on
he
40,
has.
God.
And the whole
44
thing
officer
is just a
at
mess.
T's Food Mart
But
in
let us
Harris
know what
County,
you think in the
Texas, saw
comments. For the
defendant
record, we don't
making
have a dog in this
hand-to-hand
fight. We live in
transactions
Harris
with an
County,
unidentified
so we
male.
don't know the
Also
condition
believed the
firsthand
hand-to-hand
of the
transactions
various
to
law
coincide
enforcement
with the
agencies there.
possession and distribution of
But we can see where it
narcotics
would be
and/or
aggravating for these
marijuana.
people. But
The
again, let us
defendant
know what you
observed
think.
officer and
Put a
placed a
thumbs up
clear
on the video if
plastic
you enjoyed
bag
it.
that
Subscribe
contained
to
a
the
green
channel if
leafy
you have not
substance
already.
inside the front of
And this will
his
get
boxers. Wheeler turned around and attempted to flee the scene. Wheeler was advised a dog would be deployed to stop when he heard the dog barking. Wheeler was detained without incident.
Are we on the
Green
record
leafy
yet,
substance
Judge?
was retrieved from Wheeler's person.
Yeah, let's go on
The
the
green
record.
leafy substance weighed
All
at
right, we're going on the
0.5
record.
ounces.
Please do not
Teenage
speak.
Food Mart
If you want to
is in a
speak, go
drug-free
outside. We're on the record. Today's date is January 8th, 2025. It's approximately 10:01 in the morning. Wednesday, January 8th. Guys, be so kind to please identify yourselves for purposes of the record.
Kelsey Siegler
So-
for the state.
Mackenzie
This
Watson
gentleman
for
here
the state.
Was on bond for a case and he not picked up a new case. Did he have the bond
Miss
conditions
Castillo is
to
on
not
the
pick up
docket.
any new case?
The case is 228 days old.
I'm going to allow you to go, Mr. Wheeler. Evans, please.
So Judge, I substituted
tell
in
you
on this case several months
Not to
ago.
pick up any new
Our
cases.
previous lawyer
while
had
you're
not
on
done
bond.
much work. But I
Otherwise,
immediately,
the PR bond that you get
requested
is
discovery.
revoked and you get put into jail.
I have issued a
You are on
subpoena
bond for
in this
criminal
case
trespass.
for personnel
You've now picked up
records
another
for a
case.
Deputy Joel
And
Martinez,
also,
who was the
you're
arresting
here
officer.
and you reek of weed
I was
so
provided
bad.
with a Brady
You must have
disclosure
just
and
stopped
some
smoking
follow-up documents
right now.
on several suspensions that he has had. One of the suspensions came from failure to perform duty, which according to the department policies, the failure to perform a duty as an employee may be deemed negligent or incompetent. And
Actually, it's the other way around.
fails to assume responsibility or exercise diligence, intelligence,
That arrest
interest in the
was
discharge of duties.
April 24th,
We've got
2024.
other
Oh, I see.
suspensions for right
Okay,
reports
so
on time.
we're here on, I thought we were here on the
Basically
weed
just
case.
a
We're here on a
pattern
trespass.
from this officer.
Because he never, so before
I
he
want
approached
his personnel
this
file
court
to see if
on the
there's other
marijuana case,
issues
yes,
that he's
it's
had
picked
that
up
may
on
not have
trespass case.
risen to
He
the
was on
level
bond for
of a
marijuana case
suspension
before he
according to
approached
the
here
sheriff's office
and picked up
policies.
So, I'm sorry, so he's
I
charged with the
found in other
criminal
cases
trespass here,
where-
not the weed.
Oh,
How do you
right,
have
but-
what you
but-
have now?
The reason he's in
State
front of me
has
now
provided that.
is for a criminal
The
trespass because
district
that's the new
attorney's
case.
office.
it's on the sheriff's office. He's never approached, he's never made a sheriff on the possession of marijuana case. That happened April 24th.
Do you know if they
April
are in
29th.
possession of any other records?
It's my understanding that yes,
He never
they are,
approached
but
this
they're
court
working on getting it
either
together.
case.
I
Do you
have here
have
that he
a-
signed conditions of
idea
bond on
of when have they
4/24, not
reached
to
out
pick
to
up any
you
new
to let you
cases.
know?
And now, 5
Have
days
you reached
later,
out to them?
he's picked up
State,
a criminal trespass.
what do you know?
So
am I wrong?
Oh, you're right,
Morgan
yes, April
did her
25th.
due diligence. We
April
reached out to
25th,
Alma Martinez, who's in charge of all disclosures at the office. My understanding is once we do that and then she says there's nothing else, there's not really anything else we could do. We did show or share all of the disclosures that we do have.
It's not
all the
looking good for you,
documents.
Mr. Wheeler.
And further with the subpoena
It's
issues,
Altamirano,
we're
right?
still,
We
Welcome
did
back.
subpoena her to come today, right?
Mr. Wheeler,
it was still in
revoking
progress
your
as
bond and
of
I'm keeping you
January
with me.
6th, the subpoena.
goes with you.
We weren't quite sure who to subpoena from my conversation with Morgan, because we've been in contact with the paralegal from the Harris County Sheriff's Office. And we have
Can you
asked
please
who
appoint
we
Mr.
should
Wheeler, a
subpoena in
lawyer,
this
and
case.
then
and
we
we-
who's in charge of
They did not grant
Who's the
PR
custodian
bundles
of
because he
personnel
wanted to
and
defer
files?
that
And that's
232nd
something
District
that
Court
we're
for
still,
a pregnant person.
yeah, we don't
That's a
know who that
different
person
complainant
is.
that we-
And if I may,
There
at
was
the last
assistant.
hearing, you asked
So-
for prosecutor.
Hold on, you want me to bring him out?
Someone from the sheriff's
Stephen?
office legal department.
Do you mind bringing someone out, please? Yes, sir.
And
I was
she
just
was
giving
in
you a
the
little preliminary
process of
report.
doing that
Before you
subpoena.
brought him out.
I want to hear, I want him to
That
hear.
Monday.
I understand. But, he went to public cause
The
court
only
and
thing I
denied
can
a
tell you
PR
is that if
bond.
you want to set this case for trial.
He does
set
have
it for
family
trial,
here,
And if you don't get what you
and
asked
he is
for,
employed.
Hey,
And we're asking
you
for
know,
either for a bond
but
reduction or
I
for
don't know, we've gone round and round with them. I mean,
PR
there's
bond.
got to be another file, I would imagine, right?
Right, Your Honor, but all that we can do is really reach out to Alma Martinez, and then if she doesn't have anything, then
Is this person?
she just works with the office. She's like in charge of all
He's
the
been on deferred since
databases
January
and
of
tells
last
us if
year.
there's other.
She's works with the Harris County Sheriff's Office.
No, with the DA's
With the
office.
DA's office. Okay, so
And the assistant
do
district
you want to
attorney's already
find out who the
notified
proper
that
person to
he
subpoena
has
is
this
and we can
case.
try to find and get them here?
I've subpoenaed
I'm
the
not-
sheriff's office.
We're not sure whether or not they're going to file a motion to adjudicate or not,
For the records.
or
that
take
I'm
any
looking at.
action.
Did you put like a date certain for them to be here?
December 19th.
To be here?
They're still under the subpoena. And you asked the state to get.
To our
someone here.
knowledge, when I'm looking at the subpoena sent out, it just says to contact defense counsel. It does not actually ask for anything specific to be sent to him, so maybe that's why no action has been taken on the subpoena.
Maybe you're not looking at the-
Yes, sir.
Show me the
Jeez.
subpoena that you
Yes, sir.
have.
How's jail?
Or is it uploaded in the system here? that I
To
can-
be honest, it's not nice.
Great.
It's not nice at all. And it
That makes me very, very happy because I hope it's one of the most miserable, rotten experiences that you've ever had.
it is, sir. And I wish to never see it again.
The problem is you keep doing things to land you in there.
I will
Yes,
say
sir.
we
And
sent
with
something.
your-
I would
with your
try my
so-
best to
I
do
don't think that
more
this is
to
calling a
not end
subpoena
up
that
back
you
in.
did.
So
You put custodian of
I
records,
promise.
employee unknown. So they're gonna be like, oh.
The road to hell
Put someone's
is
name on it.
paved
you know,
with good
but we gotta
intentions.
find out
Mr.
who it
East.
is. I have no idea. But if you put someone's name on there, whoever the custodian is,
On a very
think that's what the
serious
clerk's office
probation
put
for
on the-
assault of a pregnant
The
person.
subpoena
And now
they generate,
picked
and
up
then on my
Harris
attachment,
there's gotta be a name to attach to it so that we can hold someone accountable. I don't know.
You're now facing another year in
I
jail.
understand.
We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
They can
You
designate.
have the right to have an attorney present. You cannot
Should be
form one.
doing.
One will be appointed to you.
How am I
I don't
gonna
even
do a
know
show
what
cause
happened to your case.
on?
All I
you
know
what
is that
mean?
you're on a
I need
serious
name
probation.
So I can do a show
Yes, sir.
cause.
And now you've picked up another case. So let's see what
Let's
happens.
do this.
Yes, sir.
And I can,
Whether you deserve
set you a
to be
week
let out.
or a couple
Yes,
days
sir.
to next
Please.
week. Can you try to look
On
into
April
who the
29,
custodian of
2024, in
records is
Harris
for
County,
that?
Texas,
I've been
the
trying.
defendant threatened to kill the complainant and the child that they shared together. The plaintiff felt in fear and pepper sprayed the defendant while on the phone
And
with
just set it for
911.
trial.
Defendant admitted to the threat,
And,
saying
and,
it was out of
if they're
anger.
not producing the records that you say that exist, then we'll handle it in drug.
What do you think? What other prior, does he have any other prior criminal history from anywhere else, juvenile?
So Judge, his priors are.
And we have two
on the-
offers
he has a
on
sole
there,
pregnant
again,
person
just
that's
for the
on
record,
probation
we'll
for
say the
against
state
sister
did all
And
that.
an
I
AFM,
mean,
which was. it
he
looks
can't
like
do
it
anything.
He has another assault.
Yeah, an
And we need
AFM.
to make an informed decision.
from-
You can't do that until you have everything.
22.
Right, yes, Your Honor,
It
I
was
will say for the
refiled.
record
So
that
it
for
was
the
an
state
AFM
that we
that was
did
refiled
all that
for
we
some
could. This seems like it's a sheriff's issue, not to put blame on
That
them,
was
but
his sister.
we did all that
Complainant
we were
was
supposed
his
to do.
sister.
So we're
Correct.
trying to get the
The
information
plaintiff in
that
that
we
case
have.
was his sister, and the plaintiff in this case
If
is
they don't
the
show up, then
child
I'll have a
of,
show
or
cause.
the
I
mother
have no
of.
problems
his
doing that,
child.
but who do I do? Who do I show cause now?
Fair enough, Judge.
Show me who, show me, I'll do it. I have no
Yeah,
problem.
try not to.
I mean, it's a team issue at this point, you know how old the case is. So
I'm not sure, East, what do you do with your life now?
Right now, I'm working at a thrift store.
I-
I'm not getting paid that
but
much,
I need to know
but
who.
I'm getting paid just
And
enough
if
to
they don't
take care
comply,
of the
then we'll
child.
show cause them.
And right now, I'm.
How are you gonna take care of a child? You can't even take care of
Because the
yourself, you
sheriff's
see?
office isn't calling us back.
We
I'm
will
still
keep
learning. This is my
defense
first child,
informed on
Your
any
Honor.
further communications
This is my
that we
first
have.
child, Your Honor, and
You know, the problem is that with all the anger that you have, if a child sees it, what are they gonna do?
they're gonna
Let me think about
feed
it
off
as well.
that same energy, sir.
Okay, and then,
They're gonna
let's set it
be
for early next
just
week.
like
Or, I mean, you need at least
you.
10 days or
If
14
they
for
see
the
you
subpoena to
beat
go out.
mama,
But
threaten to
can
kill
get a
mom,
name
what are they gonna do?
attached to it, and then, and I'll see, I'll
Same
reach
thing,
out
but
to
I
my
would
staff as
never,
well.
I would never,
We did
I
on
would
this
never
matter
touch
in
my,
the pinned
my
comment, it had
mother,
to do
my
with
child's
HPD,
mother.
but
I
in
would
this
never.
case, it is the Harris County Sheriff's Office
I would
that
never.
doesn't seem to want to cooperate, and they just seem to
Patient
be
for the very
flat
same thing,
ignoring
Mr.
the
East.
requests
I
where
understand, sir.
HPD was trying to make an excuse in the last video.
I don't know,
In this
Carl.
case, it's the defense that's
I don't know.
pretty aggravated about
You know,
it.
I'm not.
The judge is trying to
He's
find
a
a way to
lifelong
navigate
resident of
through
Harris
it with
County,
the authority
Your Honor.
that
He's
he
not a flight
has.
risk.
And
I'm
the
not,
whole thing,
my
once again, is
concern
just
is
a
the
mess.
public.
But
Understand.
let us know what you think in the comments. For the record, we don't have a dog in
The
this fight. We
conditions are right now, he does have a
don't
place to
know the
stay.
condition firsthand
He
of
lives on
various
Tidwell.
law
His,
enforcement
the
agencies
mother of his
there.
child lives at a different
But we can see
location.
where it would be aggravating
And
for these
he-
people. But again, let us know what you think.
Orders
Put a
are
thumbs
here
up on the
for
video
him
if you
to
enjoyed
not
it.
have any
Subscribe to the
contact with
channel if you
either
have
one.
not already.
Either with
on this
her,
game film.
the complaining witness.
What was the tipping point here? Why did he get so angry?
4 o'clock in the morning,
4 o'clock in the morning.
I got a phone call from a girlfriend of mine because she was having some problems of her own, but I was sleeping
Yeah,
and I
let's go on
didn't
the
hear her
record.
phone call or her
All right,
text.
we're going on the record.
So
Please do
while I
not
was holding
speak.
the
If you
baby,
want to speak, go outside.
I asked
We're on the
her,
record.
in the
Today's
morning.
date
morning.
is January
Yes, sir.
8th, 2025.
I believe he
It's
responded to
approximately
some text
10:01
from
in the
another
morning.
female judge, and that's what caused the altercation. between
Wednesday,
him and
January
his-
8th. Guys, if you
Mother
would
of
be
the
so kind
child,
to please identify
which is
yourself for the purposes of the
understandable.
record.
Kelsey Siegler for the state.
We've talked about,
Mackenzie Watson for the state.
Colin Evans for the defense.
but he did
And,
not assault her,
Um,
and as a matter of fact, he was pepper
I have a Miss
sprayed
Castillo is on the docket.
himself
The case is
during the course
228
of the
days old.
altercation,
I'm going to allow you
after
to
he
go.
made the threat.
Evans,
He
please.
did, he admitted to the
So
officers that
Judge,
he made the threat
I
out of anger
substituted in
and
on this
had no
case
intention of
several
following
months
through on
ago.
it.
Her previous lawyer had not done much work, but I immediately.
He is gainfully employed. He just started his job last week. Hopefully he still has it.
Issued a subpoena
He
in
hasn't
this
been.
case for personnel records for
Bond
a
form
Deputy
before, he
Joel
has not failed to
Martinez, who's
appear
the
in
arresting
court.
officer.
He's not a flight
I was
risk.
provided
Make you a
with
deal,
Brady
Mr. East.
disclosure
Yes,
and
The only
some
way,
follow-up documents.
because I think that everybody
on
should be
several
given a chance.
suspensions
Yes,
that he has had.
You weren't given a
One of
chance
the
here. You're on
suspensions
probation,
came from,
which is
failure
a
to perform
serious.
duty, which
Serious charge.
What I
according
want to
to
see
the
though
department
is you
policies,
proactively
failure to perform a duty as an
addressing
employee
your anger.
who may
Yes,
be
sir.
deemed
The
negligent
only
or
way
incompetent.
I will let you
and-
out
And
is if you
fails to assume
take it upon
responsibility or
yourself
exercise diligence,
3 times a
intelligence,
week
Yes,
to
sir.
do
interest in the
anger
discharge of
management
duties.
classes
We've
somehow,
got,
some way,
other
And I want
suspensions
proof
for failing
on a
to
written
write
piece of
reports on
paper
time.
that you're
Basically
actually
just
doing
a
some kind
pattern
of
conduct
anger
from this
management
officer.
Yes,
I
sir.
want his
3
personnel file to see if there's
times
other
a
issues
week.
that he's had
Can we
that
make it
may
4
not
times
have
a week?
risen to the level of a suspension
sorry to interrupt,
according to
Judge.
the sheriff's office
Sufficient.
policies. I
You
have found in
need to
other
do something
cases
that's
where
realistic.
Yes, sir.
How do you
Don't
have what you have now?
overkill
the state has
because
provided
you're
that.
setting yourself up to fail.
The district attorney's
All I
office.
want is you
Sheriff's
to
office
address it.
has not
And the way that I can do that
provided
is
me
by
with the
dangling
records of
a
the subpoena.
jailhouse key in front
Do
of
you know if they
So,
are in possession of any other
you. You
records?
hold the keys to
My
the
understanding
jail.
that
I
yes,
want you to do
they are, but
3
they're working on getting
anger
it together.
management classes a week.
Do you have
And I
a,
want you to bring it proof to me.
an idea
every
of when have
Monday
they reached
that
out
you've
to you
done
to let you
3
know?
classes a week.
Have you
Yes,
reached
sir.
And
out to
the
them?
first time you falter, I
State.
will yank the bond and I'm
What do
going
you
to
know?
put you in jail.
So
You now
Morgan
know
did her due
that you have
diligence. We
no
reached
one
out to
to
Alma
bond you out.
Martinez, who's
So
the,
if
in
you
charge
go
of
to
all
jail,
disclosures at the
you will be
office. My
stuck like
understanding
Chuck.
is once we do
Yes,
that
sir.
and then she says there's nothing
You
else,
understand?
Yes, sir. I
there's not really
understand.
anything else
Give
we
you
could do. We
this
did
one
show or
and one
share
and
all
only
the
chance.
disclosures that we do
Yes,
have,
sir.
all the
Make me
documents.
proud. Don't fail
Um,
me.
And
So We need to find
further
some
with
kind of
the
anger
subpoena
management class. I'm sure that
issues,
there are free ones.
we're still,
It is up
If
to
You'd
you.
subpoena her to come today,
Find it.
right?
It's not up to Carl. It's not up
it
to
was
your
still in progress
girlfriend,
as
not
of
up
January
to
6th, the subpoena.
you.
We weren't quite sure.
And I want
who
you
to
here
subpoena,
every Monday
from
with proof
my
in hand that
conversation
you've
with
done the anger
Morgan,
management
because
classes.
we've been in contact with
3
the
weeks.
paralegal
No
from the
dope,
Harris County
No
Sheriff's Office.
alcohol.
And we have asked who we should subpoena in this case, and we
Who's
said,
in charge of, who's the custodian of
Carl, I'd
personnel
like to
files?
know who
and that's
the
something that we're still
extramarital
trying.
person
or sorry.
is.
Yeah, we don't know who
And we
that
need to
person
cut that
is.
And
off
if I may, Judge, at the last.
so that
hearing,
there are
you
no
asked the prosecutor to
reasons
subpoena
for
someone
her
from,
to get
the
upset
sheriff's office legal
or you.
department.
You focus on one and you focus on that child.
Yes, sir.
And she was in the
Understand.
process of
Yes, sir.
doing that
This is the
subpoena
only
on the
chance you're going to
6th. That
get
was
from
on
me. You will
Monday.
not get another one. If you don't believe
Yeah.
me,
Look
around.
I believe you on, I believe you
The only
on.
thing I can tell you is
Jeez,
that if you
make
want
me
to set this
proud.
case for
Yes, sir.
trial, set
Judge,
for
do you
trial,
want
and if you don't get what
to
you
have
ask for,
no
then
contact with the complaining witness, or do you
I would
want?
say until things
I don't
are
know.
better.
We've
Yeah,
been
no
around and
contact,
around
no
with them.
Doesn't
And there's
matter.
got to be another file, I
with
would
this one
imagine.
and the other
right?
probation case as well. Yeah.
Right, Your Honor, but all that we can do is really reach out to Alma
Probation case, they complained that there was
Martinez, and then if she doesn't have anything, then
Who's this person?
You want no
she
contact with
just
her
works with the
also?
office.
Yeah.
She's like in
Okay,
charge of all
fine.
the disclosure.
We'll make sure he
databases
Probably
and
already
tells us if
conditioned, but
there's
only
other
probation.
people.
Works with the Harris
I just want to make sure that he
Go ahead,
understands
go
what
ahead.
he's here.
DA's office.
It's
Okay, so
already stated that.
do you want to find out
should
who the
have
proper person to
contact
subpoena
with
is, and we can try to
relationship
find and get them
Or
here?
have any.
I've subpoenaed the sheriff's office.
You know what's
the
expected.
Custodian of records.
That's the only thing
for
that
the
matters.
Records that I'm looking for.
Did you put like a date certain
Thank
for
you,
them to
Your
be
Honor.
here?
19.
To be here?
Or reinstatement or?
No, it's a PR because he never got a bond whatsoever. Yeah.
And you asked the state to get.
To our knowledge, when I'm looking at the subpoena sent out, it just says to contact defense counsel. It does not actually ask for anything specific to be sent to him, so maybe that's